भोगय जाला कित्याक मिडियाक वी हॅव शोन वॉट द होल IT थिंग इज. तो गुंड टाइमपासाक वता वयर आणि थंयच्यान तो गुंडा मिनिस्टर म्हणटा आनी कितें म्हणटा अशें म्हाका कोणी दोग-तीग जाणांनी सांगलां. आय थिंक पीपल ऑफ गोवा नो वॉट इज हिज बॅकग्राउंड. I don't have to again elaborate on that man. Government did not get into this fire here. आम्ही जागो दाखयला ताणें तूं म्हणलें की तळ्या कडेन पावले. तळें ना सगळें क्लियर दवरला मरे. म्हाका दिसता फालतू जे गजाली करता he is getting exposed very soon with his own misdeeds what he has done in the past. आता तो अशें केल्ल्या ताज्याच वाड्याचे लोक आनी बेजारले. They are giving us more inputs than required, which will be coming in the few days, coming back to you all only through माध्यम of how he has done his own things bad. And आता म्हाका आज सकाळी we have asked the police to investigate thoroughly. DGP is personally monitoring it. DYSP एक मनीस धरिल्लो police स्टेशनार आशिल्लो तारी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा. And I have been told by certain people in that area that this same man was seen over there at site उजो लायता आसतना. 30 वर्साच्या गांवांत कांयच जालें ना. आज पंचायतीक जाय, लोकांक जाय, सगळ्यांक जाय. हो स्वताचो स्वार्थ कित्याक घेवन बसला म्हाका खबर ना. But end to end government is very clear. We are also uploading this particular presentation on the IT portal. So not only the people of Goa, but any people, the Goan diaspora or anyone who would like to see, will be able to see what the government has got as a plan in the IT sector when it comes to Chimber and comes to Porvorim. And this exposure should be enough for a person of his caliber and his background to do all these misdeeds, which I really condemn. कित्याक असले लोक अशे जे गजाली करतात for small issues. व्हडले जगांतल्यान तुजे फुडले भुरग्यांक तुजे स्वताच्या भुरग्यांक IT समज करपाक जाय जागो कित्याक जाय. आज आमी तयार समज करता. Allegations were coming, other things were coming. It has been shifting. The whole thing has been shifting. These things will be investigated. I am informed CM also, and very soon I am looking at appointing a full-time person from the police side in charge of these particular areas who will continuously look at monitoring this type of issues. So at one point we will know what is happening, at one point we will know what is going wrong, and they कसले गजाली जाल्या ताका म्हाका दिसता सारके we will see ensure that proper action is taken. आता everybody's inputs I think have been very favorable because there has been told what it is: pollution free, environment friendly, green buildings coming. तातून आमी उजो जातलो. आणि आमी जेन्ना इतले अकाउंटेबिलिटी दाखयल्या एज अ गव्हर्नमेंट, आय थिंक we are going very clearly and transparent in the process. So आमकां असले करपाची गरज नाच. पूण ज्यांनी केला ते म्हाका दिसता सापडले जाल्यार तांकां सुटका ना.